How to cleanse your kidneys at home. This is one super drink to cleanse your kidneys and relieve kidney pain, whether the pain is due to kidney stones or less supply of water in the body or some other reason. Well, all the ingredients you need to make it are easily available at your home. This requires only 4 simple things. Number 1 is a warm glass of water which must not be too hot or too cold. Number 2 is 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Number 3 is 1 tablespoon of thick organic honey. And number 4 is your will and resolve to make it and drink it. Well, the fourth one is compulsory of all, as I think. Now, how to make this super drink for kidney cleanse? Well, it is very simple and easy. Take a warm glass of water and dissolve 1 tablespoon of honey in it and stir it until it dissolves completely. Then take 1 tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice and mix it in the honey water and stir it well. Your super drink to cleanse your kidneys is ready. Now here is the most important thing. Don't drink this at once. Sit back and take it sip by sip so that it may absorb completely in the body, because you must know that drinking any liquid at once with speed result in poor absorption and most of liquid will move in the gut without being absorbed. So make sure to drink it slowly for better absorption in the gut. Thanks for watching. Do consider connecting with us for upcoming health tips.